Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help Ama Fans Wethu TV get to 40,000 subscribers. Welcome to Ama Fans Wethu TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns won. Amatax won. Mamelodi Sundowns wins by penalties. I'm joined by fan, my brother Libitso Kimangu Sogokai.
Ligama ngipetros ngokalibisi ngibuya ePumalanga.
Yeah.
Ngiphile ngakunkomazi branch.
Yeah, Petros uyibone kanjani igame yangamhlanje?
Igame bube right kakhulu. It's just that la be mataxi bebatele kutovala magate.
Yeah.
Njengoba sibonile ba kudina kudlala idraws dina siya kumele kanye sima penalty.
Yeah.
But overall sidlale kahle kakhulu.
Ngidlale kahle kakhulu.
Yeah.
Man of the match yakho bekubani?
Ngingayinika ku goalkeeper wamataxi udlale kakhulu. Siyambongela sithi well done kuye.
Yeah.
Unelikusasa lelihle ebholeni. But namabhena ngimbone ungene wachinja igame
10 minutes.
10 minutes la ngene ngayo wachinja igame so kubonakala ukuthi ngempela bekade emsebenzini.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Time alarm unayo account ya Nedbank.
Hayi ngidavuka kusasa ngene nje.
Baba ufuna 5 million kanti.
Ngiyayifuna futhi.
Manje wangalenza ngathema lami.
Bengadi ngaloko.
Ungazi? Awazi ngale ndaba? Thema lami ivula nje i-account ye-Nedbank, register nedbankcup.co.za and then stand a chance to win a share.
Okay, ndavuka ngene njalo ekuseni.
Uya-understand, awuthengele nomama sekhaya amatikiti wasema-movini, airtime, gesi, uyabona?
Sure.
Uswipe nje ne-case.
All right.
Then uzobe right.
Hey, tada.
Yeah, thank you.
Sure.